Welcome to Tickle Tunes Rhymes.
Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead, time to make our happy bed. Grab the sheet and pull it tight, make it smooth and make it bright. Flap, flap, flap the sheet, tuck, tuck, tuck the feet. Big stretch, up now reach down low. Look how fast our muscles grow. Where's the pillow? There it is. Give it a squeeze and give it a kiss. Plump it up, 1, 2, 3, soft and bouncy as can be. Flap, flap, flap the sheet, tuck, tuck, tuck the feet. Big stretch, up now reach down low. Look how fast our muscles grow. Smooth it out, slowly rub the bed. Smooth it out. Now we jump, shout and shout, shout and shout, shout. Find your teddy, find your bear. Put them way up high right there. The bed is flat, the bed is neat. Making our bed is such a treat. And shout, one big clap, clap, clap. One big cheer, hooray! Our bed is ready for the day. Tickle, tickle, beta, bow! Yay! Hurrah!
Thanks for singing with us. Bye-bye.